See here at the bottom, these two, you can open them up. So like, just use your force. Hope you saw that there. And then same thing on the other side. Boom. All right. So then when you open it up, it definitely balances a lot better. When you put the liquid in or the water in, everything becomes more cooked. Sometimes you can get pieces and bits in the bottom here that are not cooked. So make sure that you open it up in the correct way. And then obviously you see the pull tabs right here. This is for just opening it up. We can just do that like so. Put that aside and then you open it up. You can, yeah, I don't know if you can tell the food is right there. That's where we're gonna put the water in a minute. Once you're good to go to eat, you can open it up here as well. But then you can't reseal it again. So important to do this after it's done. Another great tip is to use, I got a long spoon, so this one covers the entire thing and then some, so you won't get that juicy stuff on your hands when you don't want to.